Top 3 animals that can survive in space. Most life wouldn't last a second in space, but these 3 animals can survive the void of the cosmos. Tardigrade Ultimate Survivor. This microscopic water bear can survive space, radiation, and total dehydration. Cockroach Nuclear Warrior. It can withstand extreme radiation and low oxygen levels, making it space-ready. Nematodes Frozen Time Travelers. These tiny worms survived frozen in Siberian ice for 46,000 years and came back to life. Would you go to space if you had these survival skills?